duck your head? So that is Shaw, and that is where we're going. We have an hour till the ferry comes, so I thought I would dig into my expedition and pull out my little journal and draw a picture of the ferry from it. Hi, Mama. Where are we going, huh? Where are we going? We actually got shotgun. I think I'll just do a little, let's see here, if I can zoom in a little bit. That is the last Bristol channel cutter ever made by Sam Morse. And then these are these 2 of 4 identical modern channel cutters. I can't remember who designed them, and I guess the guy's having them shipped all over the world. So when the apocalypse hits, maybe I'll captain one of those somewhere. He'll have a boat for the apocalypse. And we are going to cross an ocean. Not bad, huh? Right on the water. Got the little Scooby, the North Face. There's a dog in there somewhere. I can see the tail going right there. Yeah. Coco's in charge of kindling. She'll break all that up and put it in the fireplace. Tap, Coco Pop. It's 5 a.m. No sleep when you have a doggy. Forever she's running amok. This is a stand sport. I don't know what you call it. It is so cool. It makes 2 cups of coffee. Hopefully that log's not going to fall on it and knock it over. I better be careful. This is pretty much the butt of every joke I tell around here. You need ninja socks. Like mine. She can come. Breakfast at this animal. Only one down. This beach goes forever. I'm not gonna say where I am because this is the only sugar white sand beach in all the islands. The general store. Oh, we got some firewood. You get 4 pieces of wood. I think that's like $12. So, it's an okay tent. Oh, I certainly wouldn't buy it again. Kimchi loves it. It's 9 pounds. It's too much for me. And mentally, I can't have a tent this big, even if we're car camping. I carried a Stormbreak 1, I don't know, 175 nights, I think. In that, the first one made it about 100 and then blew up in high winds, I'd say 50, sustained off the Oregon coast. It was just miserable. And one of the tent poles blew and shot through the top, and it was a disaster, but who would expect that much from a $100 tent anyways? I think this one's $270. So I got a replacement and used that for another probably 70 nights on the Storm 1. And then I gave that away to a girl that I sold one of my bikes to. So this is the 3, and I believe it's about 9 pounds. It was $270, although I might have gotten it for free, but we'll just leave it at that. And it's big, it's comfortable, it's reasonably straightforward to set up, although I feel like it's more difficult than it needs to be. The zippers, I don't know, they seem to hang up a lot. Then you have these weird double doors that can go up and make a nice awning if you have hiking poles. But who the hell brings hiking poles car camping? At 9 pounds, you wouldn't backpack with this thing. See the car? Or car camping. That's an island. That's an island. This is an island. That's a car. That's a car camping tent. So I'd say so far, it's worth the money, I guess. Kimchi loves it. I'm like, let's get a smaller. We have a really, really nice I don't know what it is. It's like 3-pound, 2-person bike packing tent. But with the dog and her claws, we wanted something a little more robust. And I didn't want to ruin the one nice tent that I have. Other than that, I'm just in a tarp or nothing at all, just cowboy camping. So that closes like this. Got a little bungee hook. And you can see the other side on the car, which we don't have telescoping poles because we're not hikers, so we tied it to the car. And as long as Kimchi doesn't drive away, it's good.
So this is what it looks like at the end of the day.
Oh my God.
And then this is what it looks like when it's ready to go. So this is what I do. I put down, we've got our thermarest up, this top layer here, and then another thermarest layer down there with our pillows. And then the trick here is also doubling this up on top because I tend to get really cold. My head gets really cold and then I have to cover my head. It's like a breakfast scramble.
Somehow I forgot to eat for 48 hours, which is a real thing with me. And so we're eating 48 hours of food for dinner. It's looking pretty good. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did I just see you burn yourself?
Well, the flame jumped up at me.
Gosh, it'd be tragic if I dropped the phone in the fire.
Gosh.
Yes, the flame jumped at you.
Yes.
The flame in the fire jumped up at you. Frightening. Half a package of bacon, 2 sausages, 4 walks, sticks, and trash blowing all over the campsite that just seems to be randomly thrown all over the ground. We won't tell anyone. For once, we didn't miss our ferry. We got here sort of on time, but they canceled it. We actually missed the last one by 15 minutes, which sucks. But here we are. There's worse places to be stuck. The bar is maybe open. General store is closed. There's a long line, us. And there's one last ferry that we're hoping to catch. Otherwise, we're sleeping right here in this beautiful, soft tundra. Oh, did she poo? Mm-hmm. Good work, babe.
I'm a pro.
Good work, Coco, at pooing. What? You're bringing good pillows?
Yeah.
Where?
Camping.
Oh, camping pillows.
No pillows, like regular pillows.
God, your head is so round. It's like a basketball.